It's me, Terry of the Yarn Joy podcast. Welcome back to another episode of Crafting with Friends. So how's everybody doing? Sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. I'm fine, but yesterday I babysat part of the day, and then we had company. My son was over here when he was picking up my grandbaby, and he stayed and we visited a little bit, and so I just didn't get to the video. So, but I'm thinking I might be, now probably maybe until into January, I may not be doing Tuesday tidbits until I pick it up then, because it's really starting to get really busy. I'm putting things together for the holidays. I'm trying to get organized, and then also during Vlogmas, when Vlogmas starts, I'll be doing a video every day for that. And so I'm thinking probably Tuesday tidbits will be on holiday until in January. That would help me out. And I will still try to keep crafting with friends though, because I do really enjoy doing that. And then I enjoy Tuesday tidbits also, but I don't have to prepare as much for crafting with friends as I do Tuesday tidbits. So I think that'll work out good. So and I've been putting a few extra videos. I had a tutorial. I did the octopus tutorial and posted it Sunday, right? I think, yeah. And so I had that, and then I also had that product review video, which was an extra video also that I did on this past Friday. So how was everybody's weekend? On Saturday, I did get to go to the Ladies Craft Day that happens monthly. I don't get to go every month. I think it'd been probably 2 months or something since I had gotten to go. But I did get to go, and I really enjoyed that. We had a smaller group this time. In fact, they thought about canceling it. And then because like the main person that like hosts it was not going to be there. I mean, the facility was going to be open for us to use, but she wasn't going to be there because her husband had had surgery, and so she wasn't going to be there. This other lady wasn't going to be there because she was not feeling well. And so at first they thought, oh well, we'll cancel it, try to reschedule it. But then they found out, I guess, that there was people that wanted to come, had planned on coming after all, and so they uncanceled it. And so I did get to go. There was a group of about 5 of us, yeah. And so it was fun. I enjoyed it. I was crocheting. There was one other lady that was crocheting. She's doing a Grafgan type blanket. And then one person had brought her sewing machine, and she was sewing. She was sewing some quilt blocks. And then my friend Amy was there, and she was doing some hand quilting project she's trying to get finished before Christmas. And then there was another lady, and she was doing some hand quilting on a project. So anyway, we had a good visit, and it was enjoyable, and I got some stuff done. I worked on my the Mo of Change blanket that I am doing for Crafting with Friends, which is also be a Christmas gift. And so I worked on that, and so I got a pretty good amount done on it. And then so yeah, that's what we did on Saturday. My husband stayed here at the house, and he was barbecuing or grilling. No, not grilling, smoking. Anyway, he cooked a brisket, and it turned out really good. We're still eating off of it. It's a pretty big brisket, but it was, yeah, he did a good job on that. So he was there. He was here doing that while I went crafting. And so yeah, that's what I worked on. And what else? What have I been working on? Well, I'm almost finished with my Feel Better Friend dolls. I'm so excited about that I'm getting them finished. Yeah, if you remember, I'm doing 2 of them this time because I'm doing a brother and a sister. It's like a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. And so she asked me if I could make 2, and I said, yeah, I'll try it. And so I did, and I've got the boy done completely. The girl doll, I've got her done, except I just have to put her smile on. So I haven't done that yet, but I'll get that done. And then, so what I plan on doing is probably Friday, I plan on getting it in the mail. I'll post a picture of it tomorrow, and then go ahead and get it packaged up. I'll show them tomorrow at my regular Yarn Joy podcast episode video, and then I will get them packaged up, and then Friday I plan on getting it to the post office and shipping them off. I'll package them together. So I've got those done. I'm so excited about that, and I probably won't make any more Feel Better Friend dolls until after the holidays because yeah, it's getting kind of busy. So I think that I will probably tell her that, because when you finish a Feel Better Friend doll, then they ask you, are you available to, you know, put your name back in onto the list as far as availability to make another one. And so I think this time I will probably say I won't be available to make any more until January, and yeah, start the year off that way, I think. So I worked on that. And what else? Oh, I've been working on the Vlogmas swap that I'm going to be doing with Terri. In fact, I need to go to Dollar Tree and pick up some few little things. What I'm going to be doing is I had mentioned this last week that we're going to be sending each other scrap balls, but in the package of the scrap ball, I want to put a little treat, you know, something in the bag. So I'm working on, I need to go and see what I need to get for that. And then also I'm working on her Christmas gift, which is for her to open on the 25th. And so I'm almost finished with that. I need to finish that. And so that's what I've been working on. I can't show that because I want it to be a surprise for her. And so, but I'll take pictures, and then after Christmas, I will be able to show you what I gave her. And so, so working on that. And then I think that is really it. I've really been trying to get the Feel Better Friend dolls finished. So mostly that. And then of course my Crafting with Friends project, which is my Mo of Change blanket. So let me show you that. Okay. So this is what I worked on, like I said, at the Ladies Craft group. And I believe last week all I had was maybe the blue section done. That's it. And so this is what I've gotten done. Yeah. So I did all this, the aqua air, this, and then the white. I did that while I was working at the Ladies Craft. And then also, then I attached the blue, and I got 2 rounds of that done. So there is how much I've gotten done on it. Let's see, am I showing you? I am showing you the back. Isn't that terrible? I'm always doing that. Okay, there it is. There's the front, because I like that little ridge. You did like a back post double crochet, I think, or back post double. And it makes this little ridge, right? See the little ridge? So yeah, it's got some really good texture to it. So there's my progress on that. Now I will pop in a picture right here. This is a picture of the last one that I made, because this is my second one, but I made it a few years ago. But anyway, there's a picture of the other one I made right there. And that one, of course, I did in pink, gray, and white. And the yarn that I'm using is the same I used for that pink, gray, white one. And it is Premier Yarn Sweet Roll. And it is this one is the colorway Spearmint Pop. Okay. And then the pink, gray, white, that one, I think that one was Bubblegum Pop. I think that's what that one was called. But anyway, that's what I'm using because I really like the long color sections in that yarn. It just works well, I think, with this project. But I am color controlling it. So the white one, I had taken one cake that I was working out of, and then the white section, I think that's where I was at the Ladies Craft group. And so I took the one cake and I took another cake because I had to get sections out of it to get enough of the white to you know, do as much as I wanted before I was going to color change. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at that picture of the pink, gray, white one, that one that I did before, and I'm looking at that and kind of going by that to figure out where I changed color, because I really like the way that one turned out. And so that's what I'm going by as far as where to change the color at. So anyway, this is, let's see, I can tell you what row, because I printed the pattern out. I am on row 23. I'm about to start round 23. Okay, so this is 1 through 22. And the basic pattern of this goes to round, I'm looking, I'm going the wrong direction. 23, 41, 42, right? No, 43. There's 43 rounds in the basic mow of change. And then I will go on to the designer made an additional pattern for this to make it bigger, and it actually turns into a rectangle blanket, and it's called mow of change, I think. So it's called, and now that one is a paid for, and I bought that extension pattern, and so I will keep going on that to add more rounds to it because I want it bigger than a baby blanket. And I'm using worsted weight instead of DK weight, so that's making it bigger. And then I'm going to do these extra rounds, and that's what I did before on the other blanket that I made. And so if you want to know how I changed it, the other one, to make it a little bit bigger, I talked about that in episode 60 of my regular Yarn Joy podcast episode videos. That was a while back, but I will link down below in the description box episode 60, so that way if you want to hear me talking about what I did to change, or like what round I went to change it and all that, but keep it round, you can watch that video. Okay, so that's where I'm at with this. And that's, I think, whoops, let me put that down. That's what I've been working on, basically, yeah. I haven't worked on my diamond painting at all. I only have one little corner at the top, and I really want to finish it before Vlogmas so I can use the board that it's sitting on. So now that I've got the Feel Better Friend dolls finished, I'm thinking I can go ahead and get that finished up, and so ready for my Vlogmas puzzle. I'm excited to be doing that. And I did read in the comments of my last video where I showed the Vlogmas puzzle that I'm doing, and there was people that said, oh, I went and ordered it too because I want to do it too. So that's fun. I hope everybody enjoys it. Yeah. Okay. What else can I talk about? Comment down below in the description box to let me know what you're working on, what you're working on while you're hearing me chat. And are you working on Christmas things? Do you have a list of things you want to make for Christmas? Basically, I have this Mow of Change blanket, and then besides that, I'm not sure yet. Now, I made that Rusty the Giraffe blanket, and I plan on giving that as a Christmas gift. And then I have that Lego blanket that I was wanting to make for my great nephew, but for his birthday in January. And so I haven't done anything on it. I mean, I've made one green square and the little dot that goes in the middle to make look like a Lego block. So I've done that. That's it. So I need to finish the Christmas Eve wishes blanket. I've got like half of a round and then 2 more rounds of the border, and then I'm finished. So I'm hoping, I think I'm going to work on that this evening, besides put the smile on the Feel Better Friend doll. Work on that, the Christmas Eve wishes blanket, and get that finished. So that'll be a finished object tomorrow, hopefully. But I've got some ends I need to weave in on it too, so we'll see. So that way it'll be finished, and then I will start making squares for that Lego blanket. Yeah, I really need to do that. If I'm going to do it for his birthday for January, I think his birthday is like the 24th, January 24th, I think. But, you know, I need to go ahead and get on it. So yeah, that, but I don't know if I actually have any other things that I plan to make for Christmas as far as crocheting is for a gift. I'll have to see. Oh yeah, there was a couple of ideas I thought for 2 of my other great nieces, but I need to talk to their mom, my niece, one of my nieces, to see if she thinks that they would like that or not. So I'll have to see. Yeah, because one of them is 15, And then the other one is, her little sister is 9. I think she's going to be 10. Yeah, because her birthday's in December, so she's going to be 10. And what I thought about making, but I need to find out if, I'm going to ask my niece if she thinks that they would even like it. Because, I mean, some girls carry purses, some of them don't, you know. I don't know. But one of the things I thought about making, because I've made this before years ago, and it was really fun to make. And it's a drawstring bag, but it looks like a hamburger or cheeseburger. It's really cute. And I thought, well, maybe the one that's going to be 10, maybe she would like that. And maybe I would make that hamburger or cheeseburger bag, drawstring bag, and then put some stuff in it, you know. I need to see. I know she's an animal lover. So, I don't know. I need to ask my niece and see what she thinks about it. And then the older sister, the one that's 15, I don't know if you've seen some of the Premier Yarns, the free patterns that they have on their website. But there's one that is it's a bag, shoulder strap bag, but it's a big, like a pizza slice. And it's got a zipper like down the side of the pizza slice. It's a pizza bag. It's so cute. And I think if I would have been, when I was 15, I probably would have used that bag. But I don't know. I'll have to see if she thinks she'll like it. If not, I don't know if that's her style or not. Hopefully she'll tell me truthfully, because, you know, I don't want to make it and then them not like it or think it's weird or whatever. That one is a little bit more involved though, because it's a lined bag, which I've done that before, but then it's also got a zipper on it. And so, yeah. Anyway, that's, I might be doing that. I don't know. I might make those just because I think they'll be fun. We'll see. But anyway, I think that is really all as far as any type of Christmas plans that I thought about making. Right now, that's all really the ones I was thinking about, but we'll see if I'll think of other things. I might make some more of those little octopus, you know, for stocking stuffers, because those are fun, and I think the kids would like those. So I might be doing more of those. But yeah, I guess that's it for Crafting with Friends. I hope everybody's doing well. And what are your plans for Thanksgiving? We're going to have a little get together here, I think. And so I'm kind of organizing that. It's going to be small. It'll just be us and my son and his wife and the grandbaby and hopefully my other son too. But she has a girlfriend now, so you know how that is. So I'm thinking he'll be here. But I don't know if, I think that will maybe be it. I'm not sure. I think it's going to be a small group. But anyway, getting ready for that as well. So I guess that's it. A little bit shorter video today. Looks like I'm looking at the timer up there on the screen. But I hope everybody's doing well. And yeah, come back tomorrow and we will have a visit for the Yarn Joy podcast episode, and I'll show you those Feel Better Friend dolls. They turned out so cute, I think. Especially the hair on the girl. I think I did good. And then, I don't know. I can't show. Hopefully, I'll have another few things I can show. Like I said, I've been working on some things behind the scenes that I can't show right now. But, yeah, I'll show you what I can show you. Okay, I'm going to go. Everybody have a wonderful day, wonderful Wednesday. Halfway through the week already. It just flies. And we will talk tomorrow in the regular episode video, and I'll show you what I've gotten done or working on as well on that day. So everybody have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.